Hi, I'm Stefano. I'm an Italian language teacher and language coach. Italian is classified as one of the easiest languages to learn for English speakers. In general, English speakers need from 2 to 4 years to become fluent in this language. In this video, you will deeply understand the reasons why Italian is considered to be an easy language to learn. The difficulty of a language depends, of course, on the learner and of the languages that he or she can speak. It's difficult to say if a language is easy or hard to learn. But in this video, I want to consider the 3 features of a language: pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. Let's begin with the last one, vocabulary. I would give to this category a difficulty. I don't know. 1 out of 3. So it's easy. Italian is a Romance language and English is a West Germanic language, but the modern English acquired a lot of Latin and Old French words, especially less frequent words like comprendere, comune, immune, equidistante. And you can easily memorize some words with a common etymology like dente, that means tooth, related to the English word dentist. From this point of view, maybe it's easier for an English speaker to memorize Italian words than vice versa. Let's do an interesting experiment. I'll talk in Italian using some similar words in Italian and English, using some useful gesture. I think you can understand it. Io comunico in italiano con te, uso i gesti per una buona comprensione. L'italiano è semplice, sì, perché è una lingua neolatina e l'inglese ha tanti termini e vocaboli neolatini. Questo è un esperimento interessante. Forse è possibile comprendere il 90% di questo messaggio. Maybe. This is the translation of what I said. Io comunico in italiano con te, uso i gesti per una buona comprensione. L'italiano è semplice, sì, perché è una lingua neolatina e l'inglese ha tanti termini e vocaboli neolatini. Questo è un esperimento interessante. Forse è possibile comprendere il 90% di questo messaggio. Take a look at this video where I talk about the most frequent 1000 Italian words. The video is in Italian. Turn on the subtitles in English. Second point, grammar. I think this is quite hard to learn. When we talk about grammar, we must consider 2 points of view: syntax and morphology. The first one describes the word order. The second one describes how they are formed in their relationship to other words. English and Italian are both Indo-European languages and they share most of the rules related to the syntax. They are both SVO languages, that is, subject, verb, object languages. So the word order is quite similar. For example, I play with my brother has exactly the same word order. Io gioco con mio fratello. I want to go to the park. Voglio andare al parco. Not all languages have the same word order. For example, in German, this sentence is Ich möchte in den Park gehen. That in English would be I want to the park to go. Before we go on, please subscribe to my channel because in this way you will support me. Thank you. Let's talk now about the morphology. This is maybe the hardest point for learning Italian. When someone tells you that Italian is really hard, he or she is referring to the Italian morphology. We have noun and adjective flexion. The ending changes not only depending on the number but also on the genre. If in English we have only 2 words, singular and plural, in Italian we have 4. Masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural, and feminine plural. So, friend can be translated with amico or amica, and friends with amici or amiche. When you talk in Italian, you must pay attention to use the right flexon for articles, nouns, adjective, pronouns, and verbs. This is really challenging for a non-native speaker, so please don't be strict with yourself if you make some mistakes. This is normal. It happens a lot also to advanced students and even to native speakers. Third point, pronunciation and orthography. I would give to this point a 1 out of 3 because it's really easy. Although there are definitely some sounds a little bit hard to pronounce, like R sound, it's quite simple to pronounce Italian words and to read them correctly. Someone says that Italian is an alphabetical language. That is not completely true, but if you know the alphabet and some little rules, you can easily begin to read in Italian. You can learn these rules even in a few hours. Take a look at my Italian courses on Udemy. You can get some coupons in the description below. Thank you. So, do you study Italian? What is the hardest thing to learn for you? In the future, I will make a video about how to efficiently develop the 4 language skills in Italian. So please, if you want to know more about Italian, language learning and language coaching, please subscribe. Ci vediamo presto!